I used the rubber piece down there to make a pattern for this door. Let's see how close we are to having it. She didn't say having a fit, but having it fit. I could have a fit at any moment. Doesn't matter now. That looks pretty good. I think what I'm going to do is, you got this little lip on the bottom. I'm going to hammer it over because I want to slide it up underneath. See how this door is all gone? Well, then again, it closes and it could go right there. I am going to hammer that over just to see if I can slide this up under that. Oh, the joy. I'll do that here. My little handy dandy spot where I like to do most of my hammering at. Only place for that, I think. Okay, from here I've got a couple of options. I could just leave these screws in it, or I could weld it up in here. I'm going to put the rubber back over it, and I'm thinking that the rubber, I might can just leave the screws and glue the rubber back on over it. I'm going to grab it. I use that rubber to make a pattern. I'm going to grab that. Let's see. It looks like it'll fit there without getting bothered by where those bolts are. I might or I might not use that. I'm not sure. I want to make one for back here, and I'm going to use the other piece of rubber for my pattern back there too. That worked out pretty good up here. Yeah. I think I'll go ahead and cut that other piece. What I did on this one is I cut it along the edge so that I could fold under that little bit on the edge, and I'm going to set it up so that it works the same way here. I'll put the camera off while I do that. The other thing I might do is just go ahead and put some seam sealer up top, because I don't really want water running in behind that piece. I've got some seam sealer out. I was using it on the inside part a while ago. Yeah, I should mention, this is the first day I really felt good. I was sick just before we left to come up here, and I hadn't really felt good since, until today, and I feel actually pretty good today. And that's a wonderful thing when you feel good after you've been sick. Just ask Cutworm, he'll tell you. Oh, the joy. And that screw that sticks out, well, it might not even matter. I thought I had to go on the back side of it and cut it off, but it hurts anything. That works out.